What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you exercise in the morning?
No, I don't exercise in the morning, but I do some stretches.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat toast and eggs for breakfast.
What are you working on right now?
I'm answering your English practice questions.
Do you enjoy your job/studies?
Yes, I find it very interesting.
What time do you finish work/school?
I typically finish around 5 p.m.
What did you have for lunch today?
I had a salad for lunch.
Did you eat lunch with anyone?
No, I ate at my desk today.
Where do you usually eat lunch?
I either eat at the office cafeteria or bring lunch from home.
Have you finished all your tasks for today?
Not yet, but I'm making good progress.
Have you ever worked from home?
Yes, I worked from home for a few months during the pandemic.
How long have you been working at your current job/school?
I've been here for 2 years.
What are you going to do after work/school?
I'm going to go to the gym.
Do you have any plans for this weekend?
Yes, I'm going to visit my friends.
What time will you go to bed tonight?
I'll probably go to bed around 11 p.m.
Are you watching TV right now?
No, I'm not watching TV right now, but I do watch TV in the evenings sometimes.
Do you drink coffee every day?
Yes, I usually drink coffee in the morning.
What are you learning these days?
I'm always trying to learn new things, but right now I'm focusing on improving my French.
What were you doing yesterday afternoon?
I was relaxing at home and reading a book.
Did you do anything fun last weekend?
Yes, I went for a hike with some friends.
What will you be doing this time next week?
I'll be on vacation in Italy.
Are you seeing anyone tonight?
No, I'm not seeing anyone tonight. I'm having a quiet evening in.
What will you have achieved by the end of the year?
I hope to have completed my training course and gotten a promotion.
Will you have finished this project by tomorrow?
Yes, I'm confident I'll have it finished by tomorrow afternoon.
How do you usually get to work/school?
I usually take the bus.
Are you waiting for a bus right now?
No, I'm walking to work today because the weather is nice.
What did you buy at the store yesterday?
I bought groceries and some new clothes.
Were you looking for anything specific when you went shopping?
I was actually just browsing, but I found a few things I needed.
Have you done any chores today?
Yes, I've already done the laundry and washed the dishes.
How long have you been cleaning your apartment?
I've been cleaning for about an hour.
What are you doing with your friends this week?
We're going to see a movie on Friday night.
Will you be free to chat later tonight?
No, I won't be free. I'll be having dinner with my family.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I try to go to the gym at least 3 times a week.
Are you feeling well today?
I don't feel very well. I think I might be coming down with a cold.
What did you watch on TV last night?
I watched a documentary about climate change.
Were you using your phone while you were watching TV?
No, I try to avoid using my phone in the evenings.
Have you ever taken an online course?
Yes, I've taken a few online courses to learn new skills.
How long have you been studying English?
I've been studying English for several years.
Would you like to go for coffee with me after work?
I'd love to, but I have another meeting.
Should I wear a jacket today?
It depends on how you feel. It's a little chilly this morning, so you might want to bring one.
Can you tell me how to get to the library?
Sure, go straight down this street for 2 blocks, then turn left. The library will be on your right.
Please don't forget to pick up milk on your way home.
No problem, I won't forget.
What should we do for dinner tonight?
We could order takeout or cook something at home.
How can I improve my English speaking skills?
You could try practicing with a language partner or watching English movies and TV shows.
How do you feel today?
I feel good, thanks for asking.
Do you get stressed out at work?
Sometimes, but I try to manage my stress by taking breaks and exercising.
Is it raining outside?
No, it's not raining, but it looks like it might rain later.
What kind of weather do you usually have in your country?
We have 4 distinct seasons with varying weather patterns.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading, listening to music, and spending time with friends and family.